Hello guys and welcome back to CryptoHasi. For today's video, I'm going to show you another project. But before that, let me remind you that crypto has a risk. Always do your own research, invest what you know for to lose always. And this is not a financial advice. This is for reviewing purposes and entertainment only. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, before we jump in, I want to show you something really exciting. Okay, so this project already has over 22,000 users. It's been getting a lot of buzz lately. So for good reason, check out this short message from the CEO, guys. To get full pictures and find the link in my description down below, guys. So this is the example of the CEO message or explanation about this project. So this is the project, guys. Okay, you can sign up or just click on the link on my description down below also. Okay, you can put your username here, password, email, and also how much do you plan to purchase. Just click the create account button right here, guys. Simple as that. And you can choose your currency, calculate GRP coin price. For me, let's use USD, guys. Okay, and if you choose 500, it's 1,500 USD, the current price, guys. So the grape plus 999.87% GGPT bonus today. So price may increase and our bonuses may decrease, guys, no? So this is the referral, no? Invite your friends and family to get 10% of everything they purchase. The more friends who purchase, the more chances to win. So great referral competition prize pool. So first place, you will get 20k. Second, 10k. Third place, 7k. And the last one is 1k worth of GRP, guys, or the grape token. So 50k plus in rewards. You can share it to your friends, your groups, or your Telegram, or to your community, guys. Just copy your referral link here or click on the description down below, guys. Okay, so position user until referral competition ends, so 29 days to go before it ends. It also has a explainer here, then transaction list. You can verify your email right here, guys, and add a receiving wallet. Add your wallet, guys. Click this one and connect your ETH wallet or your MetaMask wallet right there. Okay? So light paper, they also have a light paper here that you can read and analyze, because always do your own research, guys. Okay, to be sure about what project you are going into. So the first layer one infrastructure for a decentralized internet. What is Grape? Grape is the first DAG-based layer 1 DLT technology created to support the true decentralized of the internet. So Grape believes that to provide a wide audience with easy access to data decentralization, the infrastructure should have a simple interface enabling a codeless approach from top to bottom. Okay, so Vine to really decentralize, infinity, scalable, high bandwidth, Grape interface, a neutral network engine, up to Grape services and the dApps, guys. So Grape created Vine, a priority DAG structure with multi-layer functionality. So Launchpad, DEX, quantum resistance, smart contracts, A-based interface, decentralized cloud storage, biometric user access, marketplace, interoperable NFTs, and standard transfer, guys. Okay? So they also have a tech paper right here, okay, that you can also read and do a research. GGT information, guys, available here. And also the airdrop. Okay? You can submit the airdrop right here, guys. Okay, so homepage for Grape Guild. Let's visit their Twitter, guys. Okay, so Grapevines, one of the fastest layer 1 network. They have 13.1k followers right now, guys. Okay. Also, they have the main site, GRP distribution. Okay, right here. So the first Web3 structure for a decentralized internet. Guys, so Grape is the only layer of ecosystem that combines two priority solution, DAG and AI, to power complex dApps, guys. Okay, so what industry experts says about? So Time Business News, they said that the Grape is a revolutionary project that could potentially change the way we use data decentralization and smart contracts. So the Grape's two priority technology, Vine and Anne will improve the adaptation of Web3 and push it to the next level of Web 4. So Vine plus Anne is equivalent to Web 4. So usage complexity, financial responsibility, overall functionality, usage complexity, and financial responsibility and overall functionality, guys. So Vine formulates the transaction tree without hitting linear limitation or bottlenecks, guys. So Vine is based on direct acyclic graph DAG, a mathematical based technology that asynchronously generates entries in the decentralized ledger, allowing an unprecedented 700k transaction per second, guys. Okay, I think that's all about this grape, guys. If you want to know about more on this project, you can just click the link down below and sign up and read this light paper whenever you have a free time, guys. Okay, so this is Hussein again. Bye bye.